Okay, in this brief video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change a page in your Waypoint site, meaning change the file name as opposed to just the title and stuff. What we're going to do here is we have a page called Testimonials, but we want to get rid of that and create a page called Forum. And you'll see we have a link right here in the nav bar which goes to testimonials.aspx, as you can see in the nav bar right here, and that's what we want to change. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing we do, log in. And your name and password, which I will do here. Now, once you log in, you're going to get your Waypoint menu bar, like you usually do. On some sites it's on top, on some sites it's on the side. It depends on your design, but usually it looks something like this. We're going to go ahead and go to my website and Pages, and we're going to find the page that we want to change. Now, I'll show you one little trick with this. Here's Testimonials. One thing you might think to do first is go ahead and click Page Settings, and you'll notice that you cannot change the page name here. The reason for this is that we want to protect you from changing an ASPX page and breaking links from other sites. So what we're going to do is click back, and we're going to hide that page from the menu bar. Actually, so that's in Page Settings again, but so down here, Show Nav Bar will turn off, and click Save Changes. And that's going to basically hide it from the nav bar up here. As you see right away, that link is missing. So now what we want to do is add a new page to fill its place. So we'll click Add a Page, and we'll call this Forum. And you'll notice when I hit Tab, it fills in these items automatically, but it's just a quick rundown of what these do. Page name is the physical file name, so whatever it is, .aspx, and that's what you're going to see in the address bar right up here in your browser. Title is what you're going to see in the very top of the page up here, where right now it says Add Page. That's the title of your page. It's also what search engines will pick up on and consider your page's actual title. Page link is what the dynamic navigation bars are going to use within your site to render a link. So if we had drop-down menus on this site and they were text-based, you would see the page link appear. In this case, Forum is good for everything, so we'll just leave it as is. One other thing to note when we add this is, as in a lot of our sites, you'll see that this top it's not text-based, it's actually an image. And I can do that by clicking and dragging. Depending on your browser, you'll see an effect like this, but that means this is actually just a picture graphic. And we're going to have to create another graphic to fill its place, for, one called forum.jpg or forum.gif, depending on what your thing is. But if you have a question about that or something to do with your design, just contact Twin Harbor Support and we can help you with that. In this case, I believe I already have the image in that folder, so we'll go ahead and create it and see what happens. Create the new page. You can pick a template right here. Full width template is fine for this page. Public, again, is if it's going to be protected by username and password or not. And show in navbar is just that. Will it show it in this navbar and other site navigation components? Go ahead and click Add Page, and that'll appear. Now you'll see in my browser, well, we don't have the image in there yet, so I have a broken image right here. When you click it, though, it takes you to your new page. The other one's gone, this one's here, and now we have a new page with the right name. But if someone were still to navigate to testimonials.aspx, the other page is still there, so if we had content in here, people would still get to the site. That's something you want to think about before you actually delete the page.